Revolution. No, not Revolution. Let me start again. Revolution. No, Reservation. That's it, I've got it. Sorry guys. I said it wrong again. It's just really odd to say. But anyway, yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you my gaming style wallpaper. So as I'm recording this, we've done some today, which was like the second part, and then we did some yesterday, which was the first part. And here it is. So this is it. So it's basically a gaming style wallpaper. So you can see the things it has on it. So we've got things like headphones, we've got warning, master caution, we've got level up, game over, this green thing here, we've got loading here, and that is it. So you can see it's all in different colours. It's in orange, green, you can see there's a bit of blue there, there's a bit of red. Is that red or is that orange? I think that's orange. And yeah, so this is it. This is my my new wallpaper, and it's involved in gaming. So it's I'm calling it gaming style because that's what it is. So yeah, you can see it goes along here, along here, along here, and then you can see it goes all the way to my window there, and then down there, and then you can see, I'll show you in the corner there. Ladders are in the way. Yeah, I'll show you down there. So it goes all the way in the corner, next to my Virgin box thing, and then you can see it goes down there, and then down here, and then up here. You can see next to the window, across here, and then down to the floor, and then up there, like that. So yeah, so that is that. There is a little bit more up there to do, which we haven't done at the moment. So you can see there's a bit, it's just literally on the window, so there's a bit up there, and then there's just a big line going across there that just needs finishing off, which obviously we've kind of run out of time, so we will be, obviously, yeah, when my mum gets back, she'll be doing that. But yeah, so that is that. And then, yeah, this is not the only side that's got wallpaper, because also the other side also has wallpaper. And yeah, you can see it's exactly the same. So I'm gonna stay on this side so I can kind of show you a big view of this side. So if you don't know what this side is going to be, obviously this is where my that side is where all my gaming stuff will be. So imagine my computers being there, my new computer tower. Yeah, just all my computer stuff being there. Yes, that's where all that is going to be. I just want to let you know that there won't be anything on this wall, by the way, just because I feel like that it's not really a good idea because of all my gaming related stuff being there. So I feel like that having nothing on that wall is better. Yeah, so there won't be anything there. It'll just be all my gaming stuff. Obviously, I've got my plug sockets down there. There might be, I'm not sure whether another one will get added, I don't know. I don't know about that actually, but yeah, so this is what this side is going to be. So it's exactly the same. You can see we've got, yeah, we've got all the gaming related things on there. There's a few things I didn't show you on that side actually. So we've got things like these arrows on here. And then we've got these orange triangle things which are on here. And then we've got a blue thing here, like a blue switch thing on there as well. So you can see, yeah, so that is all that. So yeah, so yeah, once again, it's all in different colours. So yeah, it goes all the way down there, as you can see. It also curves around next to the door, which I'll show you in a minute as well. So it sort of curves around on there. Which bit do I like on it? I kind of like I think the game over, I do like that, and I think also probably headphones, but it's quite hard it's quite hard because I like kind of like everything on it really. I think everything kind of looks like amazing on it as well. So yeah, there's just a little bit around the corner that I just need to show you now. Yeah, here we are. So yeah, this is the bit that's around the corner. I just wanted it around this corner as well, just to kind of like match where the door is. So you can see it goes all the way up there, and then all the way down there. I apologise. Don't look at. I'm not going to show you everything else in the bedroom, just because at the moment it's a little bit all over the place. Because you know, this is the first time I've recorded in here for about 5 or 6 months. So it's obviously because I've been having work done, but yeah. So you can see it has the same things on it as before, and yeah. So yeah. So there we are. I'll show you a glimpse of the mess. Yeah, there's the mess, look. It's all over the place, isn't it, at the moment? It's not looking good, obviously. That's been our workstation over there. That's where we've been working. Yeah. That is it, guys. So yeah, that is my wallpaper. So yeah, so obviously this side is where all my gaming things are, and then on that side, I'm thinking about maybe having, I could kind of show you as a view on this side now. So I'm thinking on this side to probably have maybe a big shelf, maybe in the middle, or maybe just, I don't know, little shelves. I don't actually really know what I'm going to have at the moment. I'm not really 100% sure what I'm going to have on this side. But yeah, so we will see. So yeah, so we did this wall today. So it was literally about an hour ago. So we spent today on this wall, and then this one we did yesterday. And by the way, this one was actually the easiest one that we did. This one, and then for that one wasn't as easy, but we got there in the end. As I mentioned before, there's just a tiny bit up there where the window is that just needs filling in, and then once that's done, yeah, it'll be finished. So yeah, that is my wallpaper. Yeah, so when gaming eventually returns, obviously where my desk is over here, obviously this will be the background here. So you'll see all of that. You'll see lots of different things in the background and stuff like that. But yeah, like I said, there is still a lot more work to do on it, which will be coming up as well. So the next thing that we're doing is I believe we're going to be doing the flooring. And by the way, I will not be having a carpet this time. You might see a glimpse of it. Yeah, it doesn't look very good. So yeah, we're going to be getting rid of that. And I will be having, I'm going to be having some wooden flooring, but I will also be having a rug as well. So you will see that. So I think that's all gonna be in the next part that I film. So it's gonna be the wooden flooring and possibly the rug as well, which I'll probably do in that same part as well. So yeah, so that'll be that one. But yeah, that is yeah, that's my gaming style wallpaper. So yeah. So yeah, hopefully you like it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Yeah, obviously this was kind of only the wallpaper that interested me, just because when we were looking at different ones, I didn't really like those ones. I just wanted like a gaming related one. So I thought that this one would be kind of cool for all the gaming related things, and obviously that's what I am, by the way, now. But obviously I'm not doing it at the moment, but when it returns, then I will be doing all of that. But there you go. So I'm just going to show you them again. So that's that one there, and then that is this one down here like this. So show you on this side as well. So yeah, if you head over to my community, my community section, I will be putting a photo out of part 2, which I've done today. So make sure you stay around for that one. But yeah, that is the end of this one. So I don't know when part 3 will be. It might be a little while until that one comes. But make sure you just stay around on the channel. Yeah, part 2 is finished. So thanks for watching. And I'll see you all in part 3.